Hey there, I'm Ashleen from Thai Healing Massage Academy. Let me paint a picture for you. Someone in your town right now is sitting on their couch, phone in hand, and typing Thai massage near me into Google. They've heard about it from a friend. They saw it on social media. They tried it on vacation and haven't stopped thinking about it since. They hit search. And what comes up? Nothing? Maybe one result that's an hour away? Maybe a spa that lists it on the menu but doesn't really specialize in it? That person is ready to book. They're ready to pay premium rates. And they can't find anyone. Now imagine your name pops up, your website, your Google listing, 5-star reviews, certified Thai massage therapist. That client is yours. And here's the thing, that's not one person. That's happening every single day in almost every mid-sized city in the US. So today I'm going to be showing you how to become the Thai massage therapist in your area and how that one move can keep you fully booked at rates you never thought possible. So let's get into it. Here's a stat that should blow your mind. Thai massage is one of the fastest growing modalities in the wellness space. More people are searching for it every year. Interest has been climbing steadily. Travel to Thailand, it's huge. Social media is full of Thai massage content. People are discovering it and falling in love with it. But when they go looking for a Thai massage therapist locally, crickets. In most areas across the country, there are 0 dedicated Thai massage therapists. Maybe you'll find a spa that has it buried in page 3 of the menu, offered by someone who took the weekend workshop once. But a certified, skilled, properly trained, authentic Thai massage therapist? Almost nobody. And why is that? Because most massage schools in the US barely cover Thai massage. If they mention it at all, it's probably a 2-hour overview. It's not part of the standard curriculum. So the vast majority of licensed massage therapists graduate without ever learning it. That's not a problem. That's an opportunity, a massive one. Because the demand is there, but the supply is not. And whoever fills that gap first in their area wins. Let me explain why being the only Thai massage therapist in your area is such a powerful position. When you're a general massage therapist offering Swedish and deep tissue, you're competing with everyone else. Every spa, every chain, every independent therapist with a 20-mile radius. The client is choosing between you and maybe 30 other options. And when there's that much of a competition, what do clients compare? Price? That's it, right? They go to whoever's cheapest or most convenient. And I want to say this is specifically for new clients that you're targeting. But when you're the only Thai massage therapist in your area, there's no competition. 0. You're not one of 30 options. You're the only option. And that changes everything. You don't compete on price anymore because there's nobody to compare you to. You set your rate and clients pay for it because where else are they going to go? You're it. Your Google listing shows up first because there's nobody else optimizing for Thai massage in your city. The SEO practicality, which is search engine optimization, does itself. Your reviews build fast because every single person searching for Thai massage in your area finds you. All the demand funnels to one place, your practice. Word of mouth explodes because when someone gets a great Thai massage therapist, they tell everyone they know. And when their friends search for it, guess who they find? You. Again, this is what we call a blue ocean. No competition, high demand, premium pricing, and it's sitting there in almost every city in the US right now. Let me break down the math because this is where it gets exciting. Let's say you're currently doing Swedish and deep tissue. You're charging between $60 to $90 for a 60-minute session. You're seeing about 20 clients a week. That's $1,800 a week, roughly, to $7,200 a month. Now keep in mind, this is if you're actually charging $90 per session. And that's solid. Now you get certified in Thai massage. You add it to your menu. You set the price at $130 for a 90-minute session, but $130 is probably the average for a bigger city. And that's not aggressive. That's actually the going rate for specialized Thai massage in most markets. Some therapists even charge $150 to $180, even $200, again, depending on your location and where you're based. In the first month, let's say you convert just 5 of your existing clients to Thai massage, and you pick up 3 brand new clients who found you searching for Thai massage specifically online. That's 8 Thai massage sessions per week. 8 sessions at $130 is $1,040 per week from Thai massage alone. That's $4,160 per month in new income. And you didn't add more hours. You just swapped some of your existing sessions for higher paying ones. And you added a few new clients who would have never found you before. Now let's fast forward 3 to 6 months. Word is out. Your views are building. Your Google listing is ranking. You're now doing 12 to 15 Thai massage sessions per week at $130 each. That's $1,560 to $1,950 per week. That's $6,240 to $7,800 per month from one modality. Some of you will keep your Swedish and deep tissue clients, and your total monthly income will be around $10,000 to $12,000 or more. And here's what makes this sustainable. You're not grinding harder. Thai massage uses your whole body. It's easier on your hands. You can do this for 20 to 30 years without breaking down. So you're certified. You've got the skill. You're ready to go. How do clients actually find you? This is simpler than you think. Number 1, Google Business Profile. This is free and it's the single most important thing you can do. Set up your Google listing. Put Thai massage in your business description. Add it to your services. Post photos of your space. Ask your first few clients to leave reviews mentioning Thai massage specifically. When someone searches Thai massage near me, Google shows local results first. If you're one of the few in your area with Thai massage in your listing, you show up. Period. You don't need any paid ads. You don't need a fancy website. You just need to exist on Google with the right keywords. Number 2, your existing clients. You already have a built-in audience. Send an email. Post on social media. Tell your regulars, hey, I just got certified in Thai massage and I'm now offering it. It's like getting a yoga session and a massage at the same time. Some of them will try it, some of them will love it, and they'll tell their friends. Number 3, social media. You don't need to be a content creator. Just post occasional clips of Thai massage stretches, share before and after range of motion stories, talk about what makes it different. People are curious about Thai massage. The content practically makes itself. Number 4, yoga studios and chiropractors. Build relationships with other wellness practitioners in your area. Yoga teachers can refer students who want one-on-one therapeutic work. Chiropractors can refer patients who need soft tissue work between adjustments. These partnerships send you premium clients who are already sold on wellness. They just need to know you exist. You don't need a marketing degree. You don't need a big budget. You just need to be visible in the market that has demand, no supply. I want to talk about the quality of clients you attract with Thai massage because this matters a lot. Not all clients are created equal. And I don't mean that in a judgmental way. I mean it in a business sense. Some clients are price shoppers. They're looking for the cheapest massage they can find. They'll hop from therapist to therapist depending on who has a deal running. They cancel last minute. They don't tip. They're hard to retain. From our experience, Thai massage clients are the opposite. People who seek out Thai massage are typically more health conscious. They invest in their wellness. They're not looking for the cheapest option. They're looking for the best option. They value expertise and they'll pay for it. They also rebook consistently. Thai massage isn't a one and done experience. The stretching, the joint mobilization, the full body work, the energy healing. It creates results that clients want to maintain. They feel the difference in their mobility, their posture, their energy. And they come back because they don't want to lose that. I've seen therapists tell us that their Thai massage clients rebook at twice the rate of the regular clients. Some of them get to the point where they have a waiting list. These are the clients who show up on time, who refer their friends, who value your work, and who stay with you for years. That's the business you want to build. Now, some of you are thinking, am I going to be starting from scratch? This sounds great, but I don't know anything about Thai massage. And that's the beauty of it. If you're a massage therapist, you already understand body mechanics. You understand pressure. You know how to read a client's body and respond to what it needs. Thai massage builds directly on that foundation. You're not learning a foreign language. You're adding vocabulary to a language you already speak. If you're a yoga teacher, the connection is even more natural. Thai massage uses the same stretches, the same awareness of movement and breath, the same understanding of how the body opens up. You already teach this in your group classes. Now you're applying it one-on-one and charge premium rates for it. If you're a chiropractor, Thai massage enhances everything you do. The stretching, the mobilization prep the body for adjustments. Patients get better outcomes, And you're attracting a whole new segment of people who would book a Thai massage but wouldn't have thought to see a chiropractor. You're not pivoting. You're not starting over. You're adding a high-value skill to what you already know. And here's something nobody talks about. Learning Thai massage makes you better at everything else too. Your body awareness improves. Your understanding of movement improves. Your hands-on skill gets sharper. It elevates your entire practice. So here's where you start. We put together a free training that walks you through the fundamentals of Thai massage, the basic techniques, the body mechanics, and how to start incorporating it into your practice right away. It's completely free. No credit card. Just real training you can use. The link is in the description below. If you're ready to go all in and you know that Thai massage is what you want, if you want a full certification, the complete system, everything you need to be the go-to Thai massage therapist in your area, our complete Thai massage certification course is also linked below. It's NCB TMB approved, so you earn continuing education credits while you learn. Over 3,000 therapists have gone through our program since 2001. And here's the bottom line. The demand is there. The clients are searching. The market is wide open. The only question is, are you going to fill that gap or is someone else going to beat you to it? Start and get certified in Thai massage. Drop a comment below and tell me, is there a Thai massage therapist in your area right now? I bet most of you will say no. And that tells you everything you need to know. Subscribe for more videos on building a profitable, sustainable massage practice. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.